Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, where did all this come from? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. How did our planet, Earth, this incredible place we call home, come to be? The story of Earth's birth is an epic tale, a grand cosmic adventure spanning billions of years. It all started with a bang, a very, very big bang. From the smallest grain of sand to the tallest mountain, everything around us, even ourselves, is made up of the same stuff that existed at the universe's beginning. How did these simple ingredients come together to create something as complex and beautiful as our planet? Let's journey back in time and unravel this incredible story step by cosmic step. Imagine a time when there was no space, no time, no matter as we know it, only a tiny seed of pure energy. The seed was incredibly hot and dense. Then about 13.8 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. This tiny seed exploded, an event we call the Big Bang. The Big Bang wasn't like an explosion we see on Earth with sound and fire. Instead, it was an expansion, a rapid stretching of space itself. As the universe expanded, it cooled down. This cooling allowed the energy from the Big Bang to transform into tiny particles, the building blocks of everything we see around us. These tiny particles, buzzing around in the vastness of space, were drawn together by gravity, an invisible force that pulls things together. Over millions of years, gravity caused these particles to clump together, forming giant clouds of gas and dust. These clouds became the birthplaces of stars. As the clouds collapsed under their own gravity, they spun faster and faster. At their centers, the temperature and pressure soared, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to brilliant stars, massive balls of burning gas that lit up the early universe. These stars didn't exist in isolation. Gravity continued to work its magic, pulling them together into vast collections called galaxies. Galaxies are like cosmic cities, home to billions and billions of stars. Our own star, the Sun, was born in one such cloud of gas and dust about 4.6 billion years ago. As the cloud collapsed, it formed a spinning disk of material. At the center of this disk, the Sun ignited, bursting into life. The Sun's birth was a dramatic event. It released powerful winds and radiation that pushed away some of the remaining gas and dust, but not all of it. The leftover material swirling around the newborn Sun would eventually become the planets, moons, and asteroids of our solar system. Section 5. Earth's formation from dust to planet. In the swirling disk around the young Sun, tiny particles of dust and ice collided and stuck together. Over millions of years, these particles grew larger, forming pebble-sized objects, then boulder-sized objects, and eventually planet-sized objects called planetesimals. One of these planetesimals would eventually become our Earth. Early Earth was a hot, molten world, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. It was a chaotic and violent time, but it was also a time of great change and transformation. Section 6. Shaping Earth. Core, crust, and oceans. As Earth cooled, its molten surface solidified, forming a thin crust. Heavier elements like iron and nickel sank towards the center, creating Earth's core. Lighter elements like silicon and oxygen rose to the surface, forming the Earth's crust. Volcanoes erupted, spewing gases from Earth's interior into the atmosphere. These gases would eventually form our oceans and atmosphere. Over billions of years, Earth transformed from a hot, molten ball into the planet we know and love today. Section 7. The miracle of Earth, a blue oasis. Today, Earth stands as a blue oasis in the vastness of space, a planet teeming with life. From the towering mountains to the deepest oceans, Earth is a planet of incredible diversity and beauty. It's a testament to the power of cosmic forces, the elegance of natural laws, and the sheer wonder of the universe. Our planet is unique in our solar system. It is the only planet we know of that has liquid water on its surface. A key ingredient for life as we know it, it is also the only planet we know of that is home to life. A precious and fragile gift that we must cherish and protect. Section 8. Earth's future, our responsibility. As we look to the future, we must remember that Earth is not ours to squander. We are merely caretakers of this planet, entrusted with its well-being for future generations. We must use our knowledge and understanding of Earth's history to make wise choices that ensure its continued habitability. From conserving our precious resources to protecting our environment, each one of us has a role to play in ensuring that Earth remains a vibrant and thriving planet for generations to come. Our actions today will determine the fate of our planet tomorrow. Section 9, Conclusion, an unending journey of discovery. The story of Earth's birth is a reminder that we are all connected, not just to each other, but to the cosmos itself. We are all made of star stuff, forged in the hearts of long-dead stars. As we continue to explore the universe, we are uncovering more about our own origins, our place in the grand scheme of things. The journey of discovery is never ending. As we learn more about the universe, we learn more about ourselves, and as we gaze up at the night sky, let us remember the incredible journey that brought us here to this moment on this planet, our home, Earth.